So, welcome to my garage build. This is part 1 and here's a quick recap of the groundworks. The garage will be 30 square meters, 6 by 5, sitting on its rebar reinforced concrete slab. Frame will be made of 4 by 2 at 16 inch on centre. Roof will be 20 degrees, factory built trusses, being delivered in a few weeks. It will be clad in British cedar cladding. Here you can see the services going in. I have 6mm armoured cable for the power and a 20mm water pipe. Here I am cutting the studs. I used the house as a reference, so they were all the same length. In the background you can see the wall I made earlier. Unfortunately I didn't film it because of the rain, but that is going to be the back wall and it's 5 meters long. I'm now currently working on the right hand wall. This is a 6 meter plain wall. After that I will be doing the left hand side wall. This will be a 6 meter wall but with a window and a door. Here's the right hand wall all finished. Even though this is pressure treated timber, I have put a damp proof course membrane on the bottom there, as you can see, just to give it some added protection. I will brace this wall before I actually move it because otherwise it'll be wobbly and probably fall apart, so I've got that to do next. Honestly, I'm not sat on my arse just having a break. I'm currently marking out the jack and the cribble studs for the door and the windows. I will probably fit them a bit later on, and along with the headers. So as mentioned earlier, this is the left hand wall. This will have a 1 meter wide door, personal door, and a small 1200mm window. As you can see, I've marked out the jack and cribble studs, roughly where they're going to go. I will be a bit more precise a bit later on, but there you can see that's the finished third wall. So that's all 3 walls made now. Just need to brace them and move them into position. That'll be a job because they are very heavy. Remember, like and subscribe.